In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a domain from Squarespace over to Hostinger. I'll walk you through the process live on video so you can see exactly what you need to do. First, go to Squarespace and find your domain. Log in, click on your profile, then go to Domains. You'll see all your domains listed. For this example, I'm transferring bradleyharrison.com. It's important to know that you need to hold the domain for around 60 days before you can transfer it, so make sure you've met that requirement before starting. Click on your domain and then go ahead and turn off domain lock. By default, it will be on. Just check this and turn it off. Once you've done that, you can begin the transfer process. Now head over to Hostinger. Once you're logged in, go to the Domains section and then Domain Portfolio. From here, you can click Add New Domain and choose to transfer an existing domain. You might also see a Transfers option. Either way, you want to get to this page. Before we go further, double-check the requirements. Your domain needs to be unlocked, which we just did, and you'll need an authorization code. Let's get that code from Squarespace first. Back in Squarespace, on your domain page, scroll all the way down and click Request Transfer Code, then click Send Code. This will email you an authorization code within 24 hours. Once you receive the code, copy it, then return to Hostinger and enter your domain in the transfer box. For example, I'll enter bradleyharrison.com without the www. Hostinger will recognize the domain and prompt you to complete the transfer. There will be a transfer fee, in this case £8.99, which also renews the domain for another year. Proceed with payment and confirm your details. When asked for the EPP code, paste the authorization code you copied from Squarespace. Choose to use Hostinger's name servers for now, you can change them later, then click Transfer Domain. Hostinger will confirm that the transfer has started. The process typically takes 5 to 7 business days to complete. Once it's done, the domain will move out of Squarespace and into Hostinger. And that's it. That's how you transfer a domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. Hope this quick video helped you out.